Police officers are using AI to write crime reports, which brings up some really interesting legal and ethical issues. So this new AI tool will basically review the video footage and listen to radio chatter. This is data that's been generated via a body cam. Then it will go ahead and draft a crime report, apparently 100% accurate according to this quote, which saves the police officer 30 to 40 minutes of writing it by hand. So one really big question here is how this is going to work in court. These police reports are used in court. What happens if a police officer is pulled into court to testify about what happened and they say, well, I didn't actually write that police report, the AI did. There's a certain plausible deniability there. There's also obviously the question of hallucinations. As we all know, AIs can and do make things up, which when we are preparing a recipe for banana bread doesn't matter. But if it's going to be an illegal document that's used to prosecute a human being, that's a problem. This quote at the top of the article with the police officer saying it's 100% accurate and better than anything he could write is really worrying. So what happens in these cases is the humans will use the AI and they will initially check the AI's outputs. But after the AI produces 10, 20, 50, 100 good reports, they're going to stop checking. Or at least their checks are going to get really lazy. And that opens up a big gap for hallucinations, and it only needs to take one to slip through to ruin someone's life. The other slightly worrying thing about this story is that the software this AI has been developed by Axon, the same people who make the body cams. Personally, I'd rather see law enforcement work on their own AIs rather than rely on third-party corporate ones. That's putting a lot of power into the hands of one corporation. I think that the use of AI in law enforcement in general is probably inevitable, but we need to be really careful about how it's deployed.